You guys, every business needs a sales funnel. Expertise is a relative term. You just need to be 5 to 10 steps ahead of someone. And I know agencies right now in India are charging $1,000 to $2,000 per month. If you're a college student looking for a side hustle in 2024 to earn $1,000 to $2,000 per month extra, then keep watching. Here are the 5 side hustles I recommend you do in 2024. Pick one. This is Roota Mittal, and the reason why you need to listen to me is because I have sold more than $1.5 million worth of offers online in the last 3 years. I work with clients every day, so I know what's in the market right now and what's out. So let's talk about it. Number one, you can create an online course. This course could be about anything that you feel like you're an expert on. Remember, expertise is a relative term. You just need to be 5 to 10 steps ahead of someone. Let's say you are a university topper and you are great at studying. You can create an online course about that. Or if you are amazing at spoken English and communication skills, you can create a course about that. Or if you have gotten a job or a placement at a top tier company, you can create a course about that. Or if you're amazing at skills like video editing and you're offering it as a service to clients, create a course about video editing so you can help other people upgrade their skills. Or if you are an English literature major and you rock at writing and you're amazing at persuasive copywriting, then you can create a writing course. You know, if it's a self-study course, you can easily charge $100 to $200 for it. And this is a group coaching program, which means like many people can purchase. It's not dependent on how many hours you put in on a daily basis. So even if like 50 to 100 people purchase your course, that's a good chunk of money that you can make per month. Now, if you want to take it a level further, you could add coaching calls, community and support to it and have a year-long accountability around it. And you can charge for a coaching program anywhere from $500 to $1,000 for the same exact offer, just by adding more support, accountability, audit, personal coaching, all of that stuff. The second thing, offer a video marketing service. What you could do is invite clients into your own production space or a studio and you can record content for them. Clients can record anywhere from 4 to 6 long form videos in one day, and out of those long form videos, you can create, repurpose, edit 15 to 25 short form content and you can publish it for them. So for them, it's just an investment of one day of recording and you do the rest for them, and they don't have to worry about content for the rest of the month. And I know agencies right now in India are charging $1,000 to $2,000 per month for the service. If you are in any of the other countries, then I think you can charge a premium just based on where you are. On the other hand, you could also take your production stuff and visit the client's home so they don't even have to travel, and again do the same thing just like I'm doing here with my video person Aisha, and I don't have to worry about content for the next month because today is a shoot day and I'm getting it all done in one day. 3, offer funnel building services. You guys, every business needs a sales funnel. Whether you are a mom and pop shop, whether you are a physical business, whether you are a restaurant, whether you're selling online courses, whether you're selling online services or finance services, anything, everyone needs a funnel. So when you learn funnel building services, you can offer it to them like so. In my freelancing days, I have built countless funnels, mainly for the online coaching and consulting industry. I did the offer creation, design, copywriting, tech setup, end-to-end everything, and also running ads to it. It is so massively skill building and it is a very important priority for business owners. My current favorite funnel building tool is Leadpages. However, other popular tools are ClickFunnels, Go High Level. You could even create funnels in WordPress. So pick your favorite software and start charging premium $1,000 to $3,000 for your funnel building services. Even if you build one such funnel in 1 month, which I would assume one funnel takes, even if you're a beginner, 15 to 20 hours of time for a basic funnel and maybe double that for a longer funnel. As you build up expertise, like yesterday was a Sunday and I built a complete sales page end to end in just 5 hours. So, with practice, you can become even faster, and then you could do multiple funnels in 1 month. And I think that's a pretty lucrative side hustle. You could also offer writing services. It could be sales page copywriting, ads copywriting, email copywriting. Now, I have created a whole separate video about this, sharing how you can charge anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per any of these services and make 10K a month. I'll link this video right here, so you can watch this video after you complete watching this video. I think writing is such a lucrative skill in 2024. The last one, offer virtual assistant services. What does it mean? It means that you do odd jobs for your business owner clients. And when I say odd jobs, I mean odd tech jobs, meaning people who are not tech savvy themselves, they would love to hire other people to handle the tech integration automation part for their business, for their funnels, for their marketing, and you are the one who is doing that for them, and you could charge $20 per hour as a beginner. And when you stack up your skills, you could even charge more. You could set up an email automation for them, you could create a ManyChat bot for them, you could create a funnel for them, you could create an evergreen VSL funnel for them. So there's so many possibilities, and this is what a virtual assistant does. Comment below what your favorite service out of these 5 is to offer in 2024. I want to hear from you in the comments. And also, you guys, share this video for any of your friends who are looking to start a side hustle in 2024. This is Roota Mittal signing off. I hope from the bottom of my heart that this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.